Gentlemen, make them welcome here to Shindig on the Green. This is the Sons of Ralph.
Papa died, I left my home, and my heart was made of stone. I said goodbye as my mama went. When we met that summer night and we held each other tight, till in the spring I asked you to wed. Then time passed on by in the blink of an eye, and the flame lost all its glow. With no one around, we just tear each other down, till all that's left is a broken, lonely home. Well, I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. Going, who would have known we work our poor lives away? Well, it's such crying shame, and no one is to blame as the sun sets on another lonesome day. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. That still stands that I built with these two hands. I see the pictures scattered across the floor, and a chill comes over me, and my eyes can barely see through the teardrops on the pictures in fall. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me. Listen up. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue. I've been thinking about what you're thinking too, and I'm thinking you're leaving me blue.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's somebody fine.
Thank you all.
We're going to do a song here that, let's see, we might have heard this from Carl Sauceman, right? Brother Marty. This is Marty Lewis right there. How you doing, Marty? How you doing, Marty?
We're doing good down here, me and Ruth. This is old Carl Sauceman Brothers song from way back in the old days.
What key are we doing this in, Marty? C?
Yes, I guess so.
Okay, you said C. I don't know. I can sing it in anything. C? All right. This is what color been gone a long time. Been gone a long time no see. This kind of love is killing me. Been gone a long time, how can it be? Been gone a long time, long time no see. Come on, Rudy. Well, little Bo Peep, come blow your horn. Those cows in the meadow and the sheep's in the corn. Been gone a long time no see. Been gone a long time, how can it be? Been gone a long time no see. This kind of love is killing me. Been gone a long time, where can you be? Been gone a long time no see. Play that guitar, son. Your horn, where the cows in the meadow and the sheep's in the corn. Been gone a long time, how can it be? Been gone a long time no see. Been gone a long time no see. This kind of love is killing me. Been gone a long time, where can you be? Been gone a long time no see. Been gone a long time no see. This kind of love is killing me. Been gone a long time, where can you be? Been gone a long time no see. All right. Do a little bit of rolling.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
I'd rather do something else. What about Bound to Ride?
We're going to get one more tune out. We thank everybody for coming to beautiful downtown Asheville.
How about Stuart Reinhardt back here on the sound, doing sound for you?
Yes.
And the company,
All right.
and Alan,
Stuart.
we sure do appreciate them doing some fine music sound for us there. What are you going to do, Marty? I didn't mean to interrupt you there, pal.
Well, we was thinking about doing a song in memory of Raymond Fairchild. How about Raymond Fairchild, King of the Smoky Mountain 5-string? This is for Raymond.
Whoa, there, Rudy. Thank y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4.